activate.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Washington County in western Oklahoma, northwestern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Custer County in western Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles east of Cordell, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Tornado was located 5 miles north of Chester, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour.
Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Washington County in western Oklahoma.
The National Weather Service in Norman
4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms for
western Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Custer County in northwestern Oklahoma.
Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for east central Custer County in western Oklahoma, southern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles north of Hydro, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Geary, Hydro, and Greenfield. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.